Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a quick guide how to hide from everyone in Snapchat. By that I mean your location, not just hiding overall, which how to hide your location from everyone in Snapchat. So just open up your Snapchat and go to the profile. It's a really quick and easy guide, so we're not going to mess around. And then scroll down to your Snapmap and open it. Once you've opened it up, just click on the little gear icon at the top right. And here you can enable ghost mode. It will ask you, do you want to enable it for 3 hours, 24, or until you turn it back on. I'll select just turn it back on. And here, when this is enabled, no one can see our location. And you can see that we're a spooky little blue ghost on the map. Now, no one can see where we are when we have our Snapchat open and we're traveling. We can still send messages, but it won't display where we are. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.